Hello children, welcome to Samyeda e-learning classes for 7th standard. This is third session of fractions and decimals. In this session, let us learn about division of fractions. What is division? Division is a method of equal distribution of things or numbers. Also, it is one of the fundamental operation in mathematics. Children, already we learnt multiplication and division of integers. Do you know about the multiplicative identity of the numbers? Which is a multiplicative identity of the numbers? 1, that is 1. 1 is a multiplicative identity of numbers. If you multiply any number by 1, we get the number itself. For example, 2 is multiplied by 1, we will get 2. 5 is multiplied by 1, we will get 5. Therefore, we get here, if we multiply any number by 1, we get number itself. Here 2 into 1 is 2, 5 into 1 is 5. Let us consider the number 2. What should be multiplied by 2 to get 1? What should be multiplied? 1 by 2. If you multiply 1 by 2, we will get 1. Like this way, if you multiply 1 by 3 with 3, we will get 1. Similarly, 2 by 3 into 3 by 2, we will get 1. Here, by inverting 2 by 3, we will get 3 by 2. By multiplying these two, we will get 1 as the product. Therefore, in this case 3 by 2 is called as reciprocal of 2 by 3. The numbers whose product with each other is 1 are called the reciprocals of each other. By taking the number 2, what is the reciprocal of 2? What is the fraction form of this 2? 2 by 1. The reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. By interchanging the numerator and denominator, we will get 1 by 2. The reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Again, we will interchange the one numerator and denominator. We will get, by interchanging 1 by 2, we will get 2 by 1, that is 2. By interchanging the numerator and denominator of any fraction, its reciprocal can be obtained. Next, take some numbers. By inverting 2, we get 1 by 2. By inverting, that means changing the numerator and denominator, we will get 2. By inverting 3 by 2, we will get 2 by 3. By inverting 4 by 5, we will get 5 by 4. If we consider the fraction a by b, any fraction in the form of a by b, how do we invert this? How do we change the numerator and denominator? Here, by inverting a by b, we will get b by a. For example, if we multiply 2 by 1 by 2, we will get 1. We know, children, the product of any number and its reciprocal is always 1. Therefore, if you multiply a by b by b by a, we will get 1. Here, the product of the number and its reciprocal is always 1. Therefore, b by a is the reciprocal of the fraction a by b. Now, we understood how to write the reciprocal of the numbers. Let us learn how to divide the whole numbers by a fraction. Let us consider a watermelon divided among children. Watermelon here is divided in a house, so that each child get half part. we get the division whole watermelon is divided by half. How many children will get half parts equally? 1, 2, 2 halves. Therefore, 2 children will get half parts equally. If the watermelon is divided into quarter part, so that each child gets quarter parts. Whole watermelon is divided by 1/4. That means quarter. How many children will get quarter part equally? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 quarter parts. Therefore, 4 children will get quarter parts equally. If watermelon is divided in 1/6 part, each child get 1/6 parts. Divide whole watermelon by 1/6. How many children will get 1/6 part equally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 children will get 1/6 part equally. By observing division part, there is a relation between the whole and denominator of the fraction. By multiplying 1 and 2, we will get 2 as the answer. Here also, by multiplying 1 and the denominator of this fraction, we get 4. Similarly, 1 and 6, we get 6. Here, we are multiplied the whole thing by the reciprocal of the fraction. How to divide whole things by the fraction? By changing the sign. Division as multiplication, and 1 is multiplied by the reciprocal of 1/2, that is nothing but 2/1, we will get 2. While going to divide 1 by 1/4, we should multiply 1 by the reciprocal of 4, that is 4/1, we will get 4. Similarly, in 1 divided by 1/6, we multiply 1 by the reciprocal of 1/6, that is 6. 1 into 6 is 6. Let us consider 2 watermelons which is divided among the children. If 2 watermelons divided in halves, so that each child gets half part, 2 divided by half, whole 2 watermelon divided by half, how many children will get half parts equally? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 children will get half parts equally. If we divide the watermelon into quarters, each child gets quarter parts. 2 divided by quarter, how many children will get quarter parts equally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 children will get quarter parts equally. Next, the same watermelon, if we divide it into next. Similarly, if watermelon is divided into 1/6 parts, each child gets 1/6 part. 2 watermelon divided by 1/6 parts. How many children will get 1/6 part equally? 6 plus 6 part. Totally 12 children will get 1/6 parts equally. Here also come to one conclusion. Observe the division column, 2 divided by 1/2. The whole thing divided by a fraction. Multiply 2 by the reciprocal of this fraction, we will get 4. What is the answer here? 4. Again, if you multiply 2 by the reciprocal of 1 by 4, we will get 8. If you multiply 2 by the reciprocal of 1 by 6, it is 12. From these observations, we can conclude that if we divide the whole number by a fraction, then multiply the whole number by the reciprocal of the fraction. For example, we did this already, 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 into reciprocal of 1 by 2. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 2? That is 2 by 1. We write it as 2. 2 into 2 is 4. We understand this concept by taking more examples. Let us take one more example here. Let us take one example, 6 divided by 3 by 2. 6 is whole number, 3 by 2 is a fraction. What you have to do now? Division sign changed as multiplication sign, and 6 is multiplied by the reciprocal of 3 by 2, that is 2 by 3. Here numerator is 6, denominator is 3. They have the common factor. So, both 3 and 6 are divisible by 3. So, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Multiplying numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator, we will get 2 twos are 4. So, answer is 4. Take one more example. 7 divided by 2, 4 by 7. Here 7 is a whole number, 2, 4 by 7 is a mixed fraction. First, we have to convert the mixed fraction as improper fraction. How do we get 18 here in the numerator? 2 into 7 plus 4. 2 sevens are 14 plus 4 is 18. So, we have to write 18 as the numerator. Here we get 7 divided by 18 by 7. Next, change the division sign as the multiplication sign, and also we should multiply 7 by the reciprocal of 18 by 7. What is the reciprocal of 18 by 7? Is 7 by 18. 7 into 7 by 18. Is there any common factor to cancelling numerator and denominator? No. That is why multiply numerator and numerator. 7 sevens are 49, 1 18s are 18. Is there any common factor again? No common factor. It is in the form of improper fraction. Therefore, you have to keep the answer as mixed fraction. 18 twos are 36. What we get? 9 minus 6 is 3, 4 minus 3 is 1. The answer is 2, it goes to whole number, the remainder goes to numerator, and denominator write it as it is, that is 18. So, answer is 2 13 by 18. Now, we understood how to divide a whole number by a fraction. Let us learn how to divide the fractions by a whole number. Consider a proper fraction. This figure shows 1 by 2. Divide this half part into 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts. Each part shows 1 by 4. The fraction of each part shows 1 by 4. How many 1 by 4 parts are here? 2 parts. Therefore, 1 by 4, the half part divided into 2 equal parts, we will get the each part 1 by 4. It can be also calculated as 1 by 2 divided by 2, 1 by 2 into reciprocal of 2, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, we will get the multiplication of numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator, we will get 1 by 4. Children, I think you understand the method of the division of fraction by a whole number. Here half is the fraction, 2 is a whole number. Let's consider 3 by 4 part of a circle. Divide 3 by 4 into 3 equal parts. What is the measurement of each part? 1, 2, 3. Each part is 1 by 4. By the calculation, how do we find this 1 by 4? 3 by 4 divided by 3 equal parts. 3 by 4 changing the division sign as multiplication. Then we should write the reciprocal of 3 and cancelling 3 and 3. They have the same factor, 3 ones are 1, 3 ones are 1. Then multiplying numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator, we will get 1 by 4. So, 3 by 4 divided by 3 is 1 by 4. Let us know how to divide the mixed fraction by whole number. Let us assume that there are 2½ burfis. Divide these 2½ burfis among 5 children. 2½ divided by 5. So, here 2½ is mixed fraction. Convert it as improper fraction. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So, 5 by 2, we will get 5 by 2 and change the sign division as into and multiply 5 by 2 by the reciprocal of 5, that is 1 by 5. 5 and 5, they cancel each other. By multiplying numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator, we will get 1 by 2. Each child will get half burfi. If we divide the 1, 2 and half, 2½ burfis into 5 equal parts, each child get half burfis. How many equal parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each child get half burfi. Let us do one more activity. Divide 2½ burfi into 10 equal parts. 2½ divided by 10. Already we know how to write it as improper fraction. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 2. Here sign division changed as multiplication. The reciprocal of 10 is written as 1 by 10. So, here in numerator 5, denominator we see the numerator, there is 5, in denominator 10. Both are divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Therefore, we will get 1 by 4. If we divide 2½ burfis, 1, 2 and half into 10 equal parts, each part measures 1 by 4. Each part measures 1/4 of burfi. Take one example how to divide this. 4 2 by 5 divided by 3. Convert the mixed fraction as improper fraction. How do we get 22? 4 into 5 plus 2. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. That is why it is written as 22 by 5. And change the sign division as multiplication and multiply this fraction by the reciprocal of 3, that is 1 by 3. Is there any common factor for numerator and denominator? No. Therefore, we should multiply 22 into 1 and 5 and 3. We get 22 by 15. It is in the form of improper fraction. Write it as mixed fraction again. 15 ones are 15, remainder is 7 and write the denominator as it is. So, answer is 1 7 by 15. Children, let us learn how to divide a fraction by another fraction. Let us consider half of a circle. If we share half part of a circle among children, how many children can get half equally? Only one child. Half divided by half, we get 1. If we share 1 by 4 part to each child, then how many children will get quarter part equally? 2 children will get quarter Similarly, if 1 by 6 part of is shared equally, then 3 children will get 1 by 6 part equally. By this observation, we got the results. Let us calculate it mathematically. How do we calculate? Here, look at this division part 1 by 2. So, change the division sign as multiplication sign and multiply the reciprocal of 1 by 2, we will get 2. So, answer is 1. We will get the same here. So, here 1 by 2 is multiplied by reciprocal of 1 by 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, multiplying the numerator we will get 2. 1 by 2 multiplied by the reciprocal of 1 by 6, that is 6 by 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, we will get 3. From this activity, we understood how to divide a fraction by another fraction. How to divide a fraction by another fraction. By taking more examples, we understand the division of fraction by a fraction. For example, 3 by 5 divided by 3 by 7. 3 by 5 is multiplied by the reciprocal of 3 by 7, that is 7 by 3. Here 3 and 3 get cancelled, multiplying numerator and numerator, 1 sevens are 7, 5 ones are 5. It is in the form of improper fraction. Convert it into mixed fraction. 5 ones are 5, we get the remainder as 2. In the denominator, write the 5 as it is, therefore it is 1, 2 by 5. We will take one more example, 2 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. Convert the mixed fraction as improper fraction. 3 twos are 6 plus 1 is 7. We will get 7 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. Again, change the sign division as multiplication. 7 by 3 is multiplied by the reciprocal of 3 by 5. What is the reciprocal of 3 by 5? That is 5 by 3. Is there any common factor for numerator and denominator? No. We should multiply numerator and numerator, denominator and denominator. 7 5s are 35, 3 3s are 9. That is why we will get 35 by 9. It is in the form of improper fraction. Therefore, we have to convert this into mixed fraction. How do we get the mixed fraction here? 35, take it as a dividend, 9 as a divisor, 9 3s are 27, subtracting 15 by 15 minus, take borrow from here, 15 minus 7 is how much? 8. Therefore, it can be written as 3 8 by 9. The answer is 3 8 by 9. Let us know how to divide the mixed fraction by a mixed fraction. Convert both the fractions into improper fraction. Here we know 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. It is written as 9 by 4. 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. It is written as 9 by 8. Change the division sign as multiplication and multiply 9 by 4 by the reciprocal of 9 by 8, that is 8 by 9. 4 and 8 both are divisible by 4. Therefore, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9. By simplify this, we will get 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. Answer is 2. Let us solve one word problem. A piano teacher has 4.5 hours available to teach in a night. Each lesson will last 1.5 hours. How many lessons can the teacher schedule in a night? Let us solve this. Total number of hours available to teach for the teacher is 4.5 hours. How much? 4.5 hours. and number of hours needed for each lesson is 1.5 hours. What we have to go into find? Number of lessons can be scheduled by the teacher. We should divide 4.5 by 1.5. How do we do this? Convert both the fractions as improper fraction. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. It can be written as 9 by 2 divided by 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 by 2. And 9 by 2 is multiplied by the reciprocal of 3 by 2, that is 2 by 3. By calculating this, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. By multiplying, we will get 3. Totally, teacher will teach 3 lessons. Children, it is task time. Reciprocal of 2 1 by 2 is 2, 5 by 2, 2 by 5, 5. What is the reciprocal here? 2 by 5. How did we get this? Here, the fraction is, it is in the form of mixed fraction. The improper form is 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 by 2. The reciprocal of 5 by 2 is 2 by 5. Multiplicative identity is, which is a multiplicative identity? Recall this. 1, 0, 1 by 2 mixed fraction. Yes, you are right children. 1 is the multiplicative identity. Children, it is time to note down the homework. Write down in your notebook. Find the reciprocal of each fractions and classify them as proper and improper fractions. First one, 3 by 4, next 2 by 11, next 22 by 3, next 8 by 7, 5 by 4 and 1 by 9. Divide the following. 7 by 15 is divided by 3 by 10. Second one, 1 4 by 5 divided by 3 by 15. 6 2 by 5 divided by 8. 24 divided by 6 by 7. Third one, solve the following problems. First one, if the cost of 3.5 liters of oil is 332.5 rupees, find the cost of 1 liter oil. Next, a rope of length 4.5 meter is cut equally into 18 pieces. Find the length of each piece of the rope. Children, practice the exercise 2.4 in page number 46 of class 7th, part 1 mathematics textbook and show it to your respective teacher. What we have discussed in this today's session? Reciprocal of a fraction, division of whole number by a fraction, division of a fraction by a whole number, division of fraction by another fraction. Stay safe, stay home, keep learning. When you go outside, don't forget wear a mask. This is Shashikala SC, working as TGT, Government Model Primary School, Kodanakunte, Bengaluru, South 3. Thank you.